Hi everyone, I've just got home and found this waiting for me, and we all know what this is. It's my second GeekGear box, so I'm really excited about it. I'm a little bit disappointed that the boxes don't change each month actually. But I mean, I understand it would cost a lot of money really, wouldn't it? So, as always, Millie's here, down there. So any weird noises, you know where they're from. She's actually getting in the way this time though. Does anyone else have dogs and they feel really mean about moving them out of the places? I can't deal with it. Let's get in this. Blue paper. I've just booped Millie on the nose. I'm so sorry. I just saw someone's face that we all love. I'm used to seeing this before I'm seeing it. I don't think I'm going to wear it in public, but it's nice. I'm so glad I ordered these a size too big so I can wear them like as comfy t-shirts in bed. I mean, it's a really nice shirt, it's just not my cup of tea. But I know loads of you have already got these boxes. I think mine was a couple of days late and you all love that shirt, so each to their own. Oh my god, I've just seen a wax stamp set for your house. I'm not even kidding yet. I've been going on and on about how I need to buy one of these. I've got a Chamber of Secrets one that I use all the time, so I'm really happy about this. It's got the little GeekGear version of the house crest and some blue wax. I can't wait to use that. This looks like a pretty good box. I mean, last month's was really good as well, so oh, these are cute. Can't even open them. Oh, some little socks with a Ravenclaw tie on. They're really cute. I don't understand what shapes are meant to be. I think I need to wait until the end for them. Oh, this is cute. Oh, they both fell out. Hang on, one sec. Make them all pretty for you. It's a little pin set. I really want to get the actual Quidditch jumper, the Ravenclaw one. I've got a Gryffindor one, but I really want the Ravenclaw one. It looks so pretty. This is what I've been really excited about. Oh my god. It says, "To Ron, tried fixing your wand, hope it works, love Mum." Look at that. So, I mean, it must be Ron's wand. Oh, the Trio's wands were the next on my list to get. How lovely is that? It's a bit weird. I mean, I'm not excited about this. This is really weird. It just looks like a stick with some weird glue on it, and I really don't want to be negative about this box because I do actually really enjoy them, but this is... I don't get it. I quite like that it's his first wand, because I think if I was to buy Ron's wand I would buy the newer one, but yeah, I mean, what am I going to do with that? I get it, it's a nice idea, but oh god. I love last month's box so much, and this one is just not as good as last month's, so I hope next month's is better. Look at this. Oh, hang on, it's not turning. It's a bit squished. Quality Weasley Goods pen. That's cute. Oh, here's the cookie cutter things. Ah, that makes sense. So there's Hedwig, Golden Snitch, and a Sorting Hat. I get it now. Hedwig, Golden Snitch, Sorting Hat. Let's see what there is. So you can make butter cookies, fever fudge and butterscotch fudge. I think I'll have to try those. Lastly, oh that's nice, it's this forks print. I'm gonna have to frame this and put it up there on the wall of all the other Harry Potter picture stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit disappointed in that box. When the clues on Instagram said that it was gonna have a wand in, things like that, I was a little bit excited. And I think because last month's box was so good, I just had such high expectations. But hopefully, I know next month's has something to do with Sirius Black in, and I can't remember what else, but I know that when I seen the clues for next month's I was really excited. So hopefully they're a bit better. But yeah, I mean, if you watched the video of me opening last month's box, you would have seen how excited I was, and I just really wasn't that excited this month. I mean, probably the thing I'm most excited about is the wax stamp set, and the pen is pretty cool, but yeah, overall this wasn't the best one. As I said, hopefully next month is much better. I think that's the thing with these subscription boxes, you're not choosing, Millie's looking at me, you don't get to choose what you get in them, obviously that's the whole point of them. So there are going to be times where you're going to be disappointed with what you get, and I think that's just a risk you take, isn't it? So yeah, I'll probably stick with GeekGear for a little while, and hopefully next month's, I keep saying it, hopefully next month's is better. Yeah, I feel a bit sad now, I was really excited about opening that, and then it just wasn't what I thought it was going to be. I don't want to sound like a spoiled brat, but it's just one of those things, isn't it? Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you thought of this month's box. Let me know if you got it as well, if you thought it was better or worse than last month. And don't forget to like the video if you liked the video, comment below as I said, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!